Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create the zoom in morph transition in PowerPoint. Okay, so delete your text and then paste your picture. Make sure it covers the whole slide. After that, go to insert and insert a shape. Then fill it with white and give it no outlines. And after that, insert a text box and put your title here. Then select the font you like. I'm going to use this one and make it as big as you can. After that, align it to the middle like this. Select the box and then the text box. Go to shape format and then merge shapes and then subtract. Now right click and go to format shape. Click here. We're going to select this one and then we will keep everything default except the distance. Now we have to duplicate the slide, zoom out completely and then make it as big as we can. Make sure that the slide fits between the letters like this. Now go to transitions and apply morph transition to it. Now I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please like and subscribe. Bye.